Sora 2 has been released to the public, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get an invite code. I believe this is the only current working method to get an invite code, as there is a lot of demand to get into Sora 2, the AI video generation tool. So the first hurdle you have to get over is if you are outside of the US, you will not be able to get access, but you actually can get around this by using a VPN. I am an affiliate of NordVPN, so if you don't currently have a VPN, I will leave a link in the description of this video. You can get 1 month's access for only $3, so it's super cheap to try that out. So number 2, after you've got a VPN and you've set the VPN to the United States, you're just going to open up a Google search and type in OpenAI Discord. It's the top result in Google here, OpenAI. This is the only place that you can get working codes currently. Once you get into the OpenAI Discord server, you will need an existing ChatGPT account to verify yourself on the server. I managed to verify myself on my other computer in about 3 hours, so there was a little bit of a wait time because there's a lot of demand. But once you get verified on the Discord, there will be a section called Sora 2 where people are posting the invite codes hourly. I managed to snag one that worked. This is the screen that you'll see when you visit Sora.com. It will ask you to enter your invite code to get the new Sora. Just grab one of those codes from the Discord server once you're verified, pop it in here. If it doesn't work the first time, just keep trying. I know a lot of people have been complaining that the codes get used up really quickly, but this is what we believe to be the only current method to use Sora 2. Now, OpenAI will be rolling out access to all other countries soon. We don't know how long, but eventually you'll be able to use the app on your phone outside of the US, and you'll be able to access it without a VPN. If you have been unsuccessful getting an invite code and you really want to try out the Sora 2 video generation technology, there are a couple of other ways you can get access. There is a website called artlist.io, and they have API access. So basically, it's a paid AI video generator website, but they have API access to the Sora 2 technology. Another one is called Kling AI. So I'll leave a link to Kling AI and to Artlist.io, and they are just ones that you sign up for and you pay per month, a small fee, and then you can generate videos that way. I have heard that both of those tools do have back-end API access to the Sora 2 technology. We don't know what the pricing will be at this stage, but subscribe to my YouTube channel, Studio Hacks, and I'll give you all the updates as they happen in real time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you had any success getting a code, or if you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll get back to each and every one of you.